Hey family, in today's video you're going to learn how I accessorize my locks. You would need a tinsel cord and a pair of scissors. The tinsel cord is purchased on Amazon and is available in a bunch of different colors, but I chose gold because I'm a gold girl. I love gold. The link will be in the description box if you're interested. My scissors was dull AF, so just make sure your scissors are sharp so that the string does not fray at the end. Okay, so let's get started. Start with about 2 inches of string at the top so that you have room to tie a knot at least 3 times to secure the string in place. You can wrap the string however you like, it doesn't matter. Just keep in mind not to wrap it too tightly on the lock to prevent breakage or thinning. If you're new in your lock journey, I do not recommend lock jewelry because you do not want to interrupt the lock process in your journey. However, you are free to do whatever your heart desires, just make sure you do your research. I do not wash my locks with any lock jewelry on. I always take them out, and I recommend for you to do the same. There's enough string to do whatever you want, whenever you want. It's super affordable, so you can play around with it. If you try this on your locks because you've seen this video, please tag me on Instagram or Snapchat me so I can see it, and I will be happy to share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Be spiffy and be you.
I know people come and go, but what we've got's forever, and I think that you should know. This right here's a kingdom, and you should know that you're the queen. And if I is your king, we gon' do this ruling thing. Oh, let's talk about it. I ain't about to sit here and not talk about it. So girl, take your breather, but bring it right back to me. And I will always fight, yet I know that I can't always be your life. But baby, just give it time. Ooh, just take my love, just take my love.